Namaskar and welcome to the quiz Manasullasha, which gives happiness to the mind. So today's first question on your screen. Jallikattu, specific breed of cattle bred for this purpose, known as Jallicut, and from the place of a big breeder. Name it. Jallikattu, specific breed of cattle bred for this purpose, known as Jallicut, and from the place of a big breeder. Name it. And the answer is Pulikulam. Jallikattu, specific breed of cattle bred for this purpose, known as Jallicut, and from the place of a big breeder, Pulikulam. The next question. This place in Nagaland is declared our country's first tobacco-free village. Name the village in Nagaland. Declared country's first tobacco-free village. And the answer is Gadiprema in Nagaland. Gadiprema in Nagaland. Next question. Obama renamed Mount McKinley, the tallest mountain in North America, back to its original native Alaskan name. What is it? Obama renamed Mount McKinley, the tallest mountain in North America, back to its original native Alaskan name. What is it? And the answer is Denali. Denali is the native Alaskan name. The next question on your screen. Dash between Slovenia and Croatia, and it is a tiny 100 square meter stretch of infertile land. Name this tiny 100 square meter stretch of infertile land located between Slovenia and Croatia. And the answer is Kingdom of Enclava. Kingdom of Enclava. The next question on your screen. Dash in Iran is the hottest place in the world. Earlier Al Jazeera. Now this place in Iran is the hottest place in the world. Name it. And answer is Dast-e-Lut in Iran is the hottest place in the world. Dast-e-Lut in Iran is the hottest place in the world. Next question. Dash festival is world's largest animal sacrifice event held every 5 years in Nepal. Means it is held once in every 5 years. A festival, world's largest animal sacrifice event, takes place here. Name the festival. And the answer is Gadhimai Festival, the world's largest animal sacrifice event, held once in every 5 years in Nepal. Gadhimai Festival. The next question. Dash becomes the first country to legalize equal pay, no gender-based discrimination. Name the country which becomes the first to legalize equal pay. And the answer is Iceland. It is the first country to legalize equal pay. Teen Murti Chowk in New Delhi is renamed as what? Teen Murti Chowki, Teen Murti Chowk in New Delhi is renamed as what? And the answer is Teen Murti Chowk in New Delhi is renamed as Teen Murti Haifa. Now, this story is linked with Israel. Teen Murti Haifa. Nirmala Sitharaman became the first woman defense minister of India to fly in. Name it. Nirmala Sitharaman became the first woman defense minister of India to fly in what type of plane? And that is Sukhoi 30. Became the first woman defense minister of India to fly in Sukhoi 30, Nirmala Sitharaman. First Indian metro to get a floating market. Yes, you are hearing right. First Indian metro to get a floating market. Name the metropolitan city. And the answer is Kolkata. Kolkata is the first Indian metro to get a floating market. The next question. This place in Barmer district is the first oil refinery in Rajasthan. Name the place in Barmer district which is the first oil refinery in Rajasthan. And the answer is Pachpadra. Pachpadra. Barmer district is the first oil refinery in Rajasthan. Now the next question. This personality, name the personality who is the brand ambassador of Sikkim tourism. The brand ambassador of Sikkim tourism. Name the personality. And the answer is A.R. Rahman, the brand ambassador of Sikkim tourism. Here we conclude our quiz for today. And if you like my video, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching.